Hi kids! Today Miss is here with a new craft. This month we are going to learn about farm animals. So I'm going to make some farm animals out of palm cutting and origami. Hope all of you will enjoy this. Come on to my working table and I will show you how to make these crafts.
It's craft time!
Let's make these palm cutout animals. These are the things that we need to make the craft. As I said, we need these palm cutouts. Let me show you closer. I'm going to make a cow out of it. So I have cut out a face like this and its tail. Then this is for the duck, a palm cut out like this in yellow, and then these are its wings, the face which I have to color, and its webbed feet, the two legs, I have to color that. Then I have pink paper here, in which I am going to show you how to cut a palm cutout, and I'll be making a pig out of this. These dots are for their eyes. Then you need a pair of scissors, a pencil, then you need these sketch pens. I have an orange, black, brown and pink sketch pen, glue and few strings so that I can hang these somewhere. Now let's start making. Now let us make the pig. So I have taken the pink color paper and I am drawing around my palm. Let me take the scissor and cut around the shape. Now that I have finished cutting out the shape of my palm, the next thing you should do is to paste the face. Now let's draw a pig's face. Draw a big circle, shape it up, then you have to draw its snout like that. Circle, then you have to put the nostrils, then draw a mouth and the pig's ears. Now let's cut it out. Next I will show you how to make its curly tail. Cut out a small strip like this and start twisting it around and around and around and around and make a string-like thing. Cut out the excess piece and this is how it will look. Now take a sketch pen and just wrap it around and press it tight, and once you take it out, it will look like a spring, because a pig's tail looks like a spring. Now let's start pasting these pieces together. So I'm going to paste the face here. Let's apply glue and then paste the face onto the thumb finger. After pasting the face, you will see an excess part of the finger. just cut it off so that only the face part remains there. Now let's start coloring the face and the other parts. You may take the pink sketch pen and start coloring its hooves. This is how you color it. I'll show you one. Now I have finished coloring its legs, its feet, its hooves. Now let me start coloring its snout. After marking the snout, draw its mouth and then the nostrils, and then we'll move on to stick its eyes. Now in the beginning, I showed you some circles, right? So I'm going to take 2 circles, apply glue and paste those circles as its eyes. Now take the black sketch pen and start drawing the eyeballs. Now can you see I have left 2 white dots in the middle of the black dot. It is nice to leave those dots so that the eyes look lively. Now let's highlight its ears. Now let's paste its tail. See, a curly tail. Okay, now I have finished pasting its tail. Now the pig is done. Do you like the pig? Now let's make the cow. So again I have taken the palm and the face, apply some glue. And here also you have to paste the face on the thumb finger like this. Paste it nicely and then cut the excess piece. Now let's paste the tail. Now let's paste its eyes. So for that, let me take 2 more circles and apply glue and paste it onto its face. Now take a yellow sketch pen and start coloring the part where the nose is. Now I have finished coloring the face. Now you should take a brown sketch pen and draw its nostrils and its mouth, and then you have to color its horns. Now take the black sketch pen and start drawing and coloring its hooves. And now let's color the tail. And now let's move on to its eyes and draw the eyeball the way I showed on the pig. Just leave 2 white dots in middle of that black circle so it looks lively. Then start decorating the cow. Now I'm going to draw patches on its body. See, I have finished coloring its body. Now take the pink sketch pen and just highlight its ears. And now the cow is done. Do you like it? Now let's make the duck. Take the face cut out. Keep the palm cut out the way I have kept so that the fingers will represent its tail. Apply glue and paste the face on top of the thumb finger. And then cut off the excess part. Now let's paste the wings. This is the one side wing, so I'm using some glue and I'm pasting it in front like this. Then take the other wing, apply some glue and paste it like that behind the body. Now let's paste its webbed feet, the 2 legs. Let me apply glue and then we have to color it. There goes one leg and then the other leg. Now let's color its beak with orange color. Let me color. Now that is done. Now start coloring its webbed feet. Now let's paste its eyes. Now let's color the eyeballs with the black sketch pen. Now let's draw its nostrils. Now that all my animals are made, I'm going to use string. I'm going to paste it over so that we can hang it somewhere. So apply glue on one side and then paste it behind the body of these animals like this. See, it's done. Now I'm going to show how to make 2 pet animals with origami. For that I need 2 colors of paper, some sketch pens, and the paper should be square shape. Can you see it closely? All the sides are same. Now let's start making. What you should do is take one corner of the square and fold it to touch the other corner, and then you will get a triangle like this. See, when I turn, it's a triangle with 3 sides. Now, from a corner, start folding this way. Again, you will get a small triangle in both the sides. Can you see? Does it look like a face? Does it? Now, after folding, take the other corner and fold it up to the middle. Did you see it clearly how I folded? Now take the black sketch pen and draw 2 eyes and eyeballs. After that, let's draw a small nose. After drawing the nose, let's draw whiskers. See? And some tiny dots below the nose. And with the red pen, draw a small mouth. What does this look like? Ta-da! It's a dog. Now let's take the other color and like we folded for the doggy, from one corner, join it with the other corner and make a triangle. See, it will look like this. And from the middle, slightly leaving a small space, fold it again, both the sides, to form 2 more triangles. See? Now take that corner and fold it just to touch the middle of the paper and then turn. Can you see? It looks like a face of a cat. Now take the black sketch pen and draw 2 eyes. Now let's draw a teeny weeny nose and then the mouth, some dots and the whiskers of a cat, and with the help of the red sketch pen, let's draw a mouth. So I've completed making a dog and a cat. You too can make this.